Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome. It's another Wednesday, and we're going to talk about your wellness. So today on the docket, we're going to talk about Magnolia and Spearmint. I'm a huge fan of both. So I'm going to share with you Magnolia. Magnolia flower is said to be well-traveled flower because their species scattered throughout South Asia, the Pacific, and North America. Yay, good old USA. Also called white champaca. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, or white jade orchard tree. Magnolia flowers have been used in Chinese traditional health practices to help create sense of balance within the body, which I think everybody could use right now. It's fruity and floral aroma that helps promote a relaxed atmosphere. It has lavender, bergamot, or light lavender and bergamot. Magnolia has a high count of linenol, which may help with feelings of stress or anxiousness, and it's soothing to the skin too. So actually, Magnolia has a very high count of linenol. It's the highest out of lavender and bergamot. I like to use it as part of my bedtime routine. So I have it right next to my bed, and all I do is I open it up and put a little behind my ears, and that's it. Oh, it smells amazing. Smells very sweet and floral. And that's part of my bedtime routine. And then some mornings when I feel like I've got overwhelming thoughts and I just want to chill out, I'll put some on my pulse points and inhale that and start my day. So Chris, what do you have for us about spearmint? What can you share?
Spearmint is a lovely oil. Lots of uses. It comes from India. You can use it aromatically, topically, internally. It is a skin sensitive one, so be careful with that. It's different from, it's milder than peppermint. So if peppermint's a little bit strong for you, you can try this spearmint. They use it to, let's see, many uses. Indigestion, colic, nausea, aches, bad breath, heavy menstrual issues, acne, bronchitis, headaches, for focus, for migraines, nervous fatigue, or respiratory infections, sores, and scars. So that was one that I didn't know about. Be looking into that a little bit more. It has that sweet, minty, fresh scent. So spearmint's just a really good one to have around. There you go. That's what I have on spearmint.
Awesome. I love spearmint. Right now, spearmint is my go-to with wild orange, and I diffuse that, and it just lifts the mood around here. And we could all use that sometimes, especially when the kids are in-home schooling. Oh, such a pain. Okay, but we're getting through it. It's almost over. All right, you guys, I hope that was helpful for you. And that's it. We'll see you next time on Wellness Wednesdays. Take care, everybody. Have a great week.